So here's a good question from Glowing Stone Sparks. What kind of chair do you use for guitar playing that allows you a good posture? I just made a video about this. I'll be posting that soon, soon-ish anyway. I got another few other videos I want to post before that, but the video is basically describing how to properly sit. And I can just very kind of briefly go over what I have. Right now I'm sitting on a cajon. Cajon, so that's about, I don't know, about 2 feet maybe off the ground, 1.5 foot, something like that. So I'm sitting on that. It's a nice cajon, to be honest. It's a pretty expensive cajon, but I don't really play cajon that much these days, so I use it more as a chair for me. It's just a very comfortable seat. And for that, other than that, I have a footrest, so I want to sit, just, you know, kind of give the importance of this. Okay, this is just a normal guitar footrest. I might have a link in this in the description after. But I use this at the highest setting because when I use this, look at my right leg. It's propped up a good foot above, and all of a sudden you see, like, if this is my hip and this is my thigh, what happens is this is greater. So in a way, when the guitar sits here, it's locked in place. Right? So where this is the guitar, so it's locked. It can only really tip from the top part of it. But locking this position like this allows me to have better posture. Also, if I didn't have a footrest, I'd be like, you know, slouching down even more. So no one wants that. So I mean, so when you're playing, I think one of the most important things is, like, sometimes when we get in the zone, we forget the importance of, like, sitting up straight. And that's something that I'm really aware of. I did talk briefly about that yesterday as well, about some exercises. Again, I'll be making videos about all these sorts of common questions that I'm getting a lot, which is great. I'm really glad that you guys are asking those.